Hey guys, good morning. Welcome again. We are on this voyage from Panama to Brazil, Sao Luis, and right now I am standing in Sisia. You can see, yeah, cadet is doing some paperwork, making the tanking plan. We have discussed already in the morning during watch, and now he is putting it on paper so that for the next tank cleaning, maybe guys, if after discharging this cargo, you can see right now the vessel is fully loaded with diesel oil, full of diesel oil. All the tanks are almost 95%, even slop wings also. And we will discharge this cargo at Brazil, and after that vessel will move from Brazil to Argentina, most probably. That is the possible voyage. There we will load soybean oil for India or China. We will discharge that soybean either in India, Bangladesh and China. Most probably it will be India and Bangladesh. So guys, what we will do, I'll just show you what is the work going on deck during sailing, what exactly seafarers are doing. I'll try to show you that during this video, so you will get a rough idea of what rank is doing what work on ship. So people who want to join this field, they will come to know exactly what work is going on in the vessel, which people are doing what work. Okay, GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. So guys, from here we will just take a round on deck. We will take a round in galley also, and we'll just try to see what's going on deck and in galley. So we'll just proceed from here. We are right now in the cargo control room, CCR. We'll just go in galley and we'll see what Chief Cook is exactly preparing. What he is preparing for the food for the lunch. So here is our Chief Cook. And see, he is preparing some food. क्या है चीफ कुक, आज का मेनू क्या है?
पोगल है और फिश करी है,
फिश करी,
दाल फ्राई है,
अच्छा,
राइस, प्लेन राइस.
We can see guys, so this is how they are preparing food on board. Chalo, thank you. So from here guys, we will go again back on deck and we will see. This is our mess room guys, just for your information, where we are eating. This is officer's mess room. Here we are having our food, and on the other side you will find the crew mess room as well. So guys, most probably the pumpman is working on the tank cleaning machines, as the next voyage is fixed for soybean oil. It is not fixed yet, but almost it is going to fix. So most probably the pumpman is working on the tank cleaning machine. He is opening the tank cleaning machine. So we will just see how it's working on that. I'll just show you. So you can see guys, outside it's a nice weather. It's a really nice weather. See the weather outside. Ship is moving right now with 12 knot speed. As I show you on the top, I'll show you where we are exactly now. So I'll show you on the bridge the position of the vessel. I'll show you on the bridge. So you can see this is the propeller wake guys, continuously. So it's a really nice view guys. can easily work on deck because there is no rolling. There is no rolling and no pitching. Yesterday I show you the weather was really choppy. It was raining very heavily. It was very difficult to work on deck. Today you can see it's really nice weather and people can work, so they are working on deck. So guys, this is the tank cleaning machine and you can see the pumpman is closing the valve. And we'll just try to open this tank cleaning machine, guys. He is here with all the equipment. What happened? Close किया? क्या पर्च कर रहे हो? GoPro stop recording. So you can see, guys, the onboard pumpman is now working on the tank cleaning machine. Once again I'll tell you, his rank is pumpman and he is opening the tank cleaning machine. We have the Polar Jet tank cleaning machines here on board, and these are the fixed tank cleaning machine, guys. We are using these tank cleaning machines for the cleaning of cargo tanks. So this is the line you can see. This is connected to the main tank cleaning line, and from here we are getting the water in the tank and we are washing the tank with this machine. This is a fixed machine, guys. Almost 30 to 60 cubic per hour is the capacity of this machine, and it really works very well. It washes the tank in a good condition, and here you can see the setting of the machine. Here we have different settings here. Pitch and speed settings are here. So according to the regular plan maintenance system, we have to overhaul this machine, guys, on a monthly basis. We have to open the machine and grease and overhaul. If any one of them is not working, not moving on its own with the pressure of water, then we have to open the machine and we have to check what is the fault in the machine. You can see the machinery inside the tank cleaning machine here. So pumpman will remove all the grease from this machine, the old grease, and he will put the new one. He already brought the new grease here. GoPro stop recording. पप्पी हाय बोलो. ऐसे ऐसे आएगा. हाय पप्पी. So you can see different moving parts of the machine. He is cleaning right now. GoPro stop recording. So now, guys, we will just try to go on the other side and we will see what other crew is doing. We will just try to. I'm just trying to show you guys what exactly work is going on the ship when the vessel is at sea. What maintenance exactly the people are doing here. So guys, it's a normal phenomenon when any metal is exposed to the sea water and air. If it is exposed to water and air, of course rust starts getting on the metal. Rust आना चालू हो जाता है. So you can see here we have done cleaning here. GoPro, stop recording. So guys, you just saw how the deck people are working. They were preparing the deck for shipping. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. माँ की GoPro की. So guys, you can see here the onboard oiler is cleaning some rubber sheets which are used in the engine room. Tony, say hi. GoPro, stop recording. So guys, you saw just on deck what people are doing. 2OS, I'll put the name on the vlog. 2OS were doing the chipping with the chipping gun. That was a chipping gun which is working on deck air pressure. That is working on air pressure. They will just chip that area. They will paint that area with primer, and finally they will apply the top coat. So they will paint that area with primer first. They will apply one more coat of primer. After that they will paint that area. So this is how they are doing maintenance of the ship. Whichever parts are getting rusted on the ship, they are chipping that parts and then painting. First coat of primer, second coat of primer, and then finally whichever coat is on the top is coming there. Not only this, there are many other jobs are there. Porter jobs are coming on the way. I'll try to show you during the voyage. It's a long voyage, guys, 9 days voyage. Before discharging also we have to prepare the ropes for the mooring stations. Mooring stations means जहाज बांधने का आगे पीछे. See how our cadet is. He is doing all the time pass. No work. He is captain's favorite.
I'm not captain's favorite. He's captain's favorite.
Captain want all the time. What cadet is doing? Captain wants to know all the time. What cadet is doing? What my cadet is doing all the time. See, right now you can see he is preparing some plan on the computer. We have discussed this plan in the morning, so he is preparing that plan. So guys, normally many people ask me, कैडेट काम क्या करता है जहाज पे? कैडेट बहुत कुछ करता है जहाज पे. कैडेट सबका गंदगी साफ करता है जहाज पे. कैडेट मतलब सबका बचा कुचा काम कैडेट ही कंप्लीट करता है जहाज पे. कैडेट कैडेट को इस तरीके से ट्रेन किया जाता है कि ताकि वो जहाज पे जाके नेक्स्ट टाइम एज अ ऑफिसर कुछ भी काम कर सके. ही कैन डू एनी जॉब ऑन द शिप once he will become officer. So that way we train the cadet. So chief officer का थोड़ा काम, second officer का थोड़ा काम, third officer का. Then he also do navigation watch with me 4 to 8 in the morning, 4 to 8 in the evening. So it goes that way. Also chipping, captain साहब उसको chipping पे भी लगाते हैं. bridge wing का chipping cadet करता है. I'll show you bridge wing. What is bridge wing? जहाँ पे कैप्टन साहब खड़ा होके जहाज आगे पीछे करते बर्थ पे लगाते हैं पायलट के साथ खड़ा होके, वो एरिया कैप्टन साहब को क्लीन साफ सूफ चाहिए एकदम. वहाँ से खड़ा होके ऑर्डर देते ना, आर्या बेस, तो वो सब ऑर्डर्स वहाँ पे खड़े होके देते ब्रिज विंग पे. आपने देखा होगा शिप का फोटो. I'll show you that with my vlog what is exactly bridge wing. तो वो सब एरिया कैडेट चिप करके पेंट करता है. दैट एरिया कैडेट मेंटेनेंस. GoPro, stop recording. So guys, now we will go on bridge and we will see what is the exact position of the vessel. It's a third mate watch, third officer watch. He's doing watch on bridge now. So we'll just go and see what is the position of the vessel. GoPro, stop recording. No recording. Okay, so guys, here we are on bridge now, and you can see here it's a really good climate outside. You can see the seabirds which are there on the mast. Vessel is right now on the open ocean. Here I'll show you the position on the chart, basically how we are proceeding. We are doing this course, we are going this way. So you can see here guys, we are right now, I'll just zoom out so you can make out where we are exactly. Venezuela basin, you can see Caracas, Barcelona. So basically we are just about, we came all the way from here, actually from Port Arthur we came to Panama. We did some job over there, also bunkering, and then now we are moving towards Brazil, Sao Luis. So right now vessel position is here. A little zoom in. Part of South America. Here we are coming by this way. Second mate has made a really good passage plan. You can see here. This is how we are going and moving. Guinea Plateau. Then this is North Atlantic Ocean. We are moving here. So this is our destination, guys. I'll just zoom in. We come here and we will drop an anchor here. Once port control will allow us, then we will enter inside, and then we will see what is at which position we are going to discharge this 3 lakh barrels of diesel oil. So right now you can see here vessel is doing 12.5 knots through water, and speed over ground is 12.6 knots. We are doing 097. So this 097 is the course, guys, we are doing. If you see here, this is the gyro compass. Here it is showing 097. So basically, in short, if I want to tell you guys, I'll just make this rudder off center so I can explain you. See guys, this is the compass. 00 is here, 090 is here, 180 is here, 270 is here, 360, that is 000. So 090 is here, so 095, 100 is here, so we are doing 097. So on this like this, we are doing this 097 course here. So right now I hope you have understood what I have explained. 000 is here, 090 is here, perpendicular to 000, 180 is here, 270 is here, but we are doing 097. So we are going on this course. Here again course will get altered, that is we will maintain 100. It is written over here on the passage plan. You can see how much speed we have to maintain, that is also written. After that you can see again here course is changing. See, a little bit perpendicular to 000, so it is almost parallel to 090. The course is 091. So if you will come again here with the course alteration, you can see here the course is again changing. We will alter from this position. So here what will be the course? The course will be a very long course, guys. See here it is mentioned 124. So we will do this course for a very long time. I have to check the distance on the viewpoint table. After that again we will change course here, so we will move like this. So this is the coast of Brazil, I hope so. And we will exactly, this is the Rio Para here, the Rio Amazonas. These are all Brazilian ports. So we are going to Sao Luis, and you can see the guys. You can see guys the weather here. GoPro, stop recording. Stop recording. GoPro will follow. So you can see guys, it's a really nice weather outside. we are moving with a speed of 12 knots, 12.6. I'll just go outside and I'll show you the condition outside. People are doing maintenance on bridge, on deck. With the speed, guys, 12.6. You can see here. I'll just try to show you from this point. You can make out how the vessel is moving. This is the wake of the vessel. So it's a very nice weather, guys, outside. GoPro, stop recording. So guys, now we will just go on deck and I'll show you what Cadet is doing. You can see here. We are on the deck now. I will show you. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. So guys, we are here on deck again. The pumpman has replaced the wheel. Kidhar gaya wo purana? See, this part of the tank cleaning machine was, you can see, it was not moving freely. So he has replaced the new one. He has put over here. So I hope now the machine will start running and it will work when it is required during tank cleaning operation. GoPro, stop recording. So just for your information, guys, this tank cleaning machine is right below, inside the tank. Down below we have a cargo tank where we have loaded diesel oil. After discharging this diesel oil, we will load soybean oil. So after loading soybean oil, guys, before loading soybean oil, we have to clean the tanks very thoroughly. So there should not be any smell of the previous cargo diesel oil. There should not be any residues remaining. It should be free of carbon. There should not be any carbon deposits on the bulkhead of the cargo tank. So this tank cleaning machine, basically it is washing the tank with full pressure. This is a fixed tank cleaning machine of Polar Jet. You can see the name here, Polar Jet. It is washing the tank with full pressure and then we are able to clean the tanks very thoroughly. GoPro, stop recording. Guys, now our pumpman will explain how the tank cleaning machine is exactly working. Pumpman, bolo.
Yes, sir. पानी यहाँ से है.
See, the water is coming from here.
Here.
Yeah.
Then move to impeller.
Okay. Going to this impeller.
Yeah,
and then this impeller starts rotating.
Rotating for the Depcon
Okay.
and the PD wash.
And due to this, can
Rotate.
you see this white round? Due to this two are moving.
Yes.
And due to that,
Then after coming to
okay. Due to this movement,
after gear.
this spindle is moving.
Then after move to
And due to
gear.
that, this machine is moving.
Then
Below this,
turbine, yeah.
below this turbine, there is machine, guys.
Yes, sir.
So that machine is rotating.
Yes, sir.
So he will just rotate now, and he will show you how everything is rotating. You can see here.
Okay, sir.
See, due to the same impeller, due to the water which is moving, this one is moving, this one is moving. Due to that, this one is also moving, guys. You can see. And after that, the impeller is moving slowly. So basically, when there is too much pressure, this white rotor is moving very fast. GoPro, stop recording. Recording. See, guys, now pumpman is rotating from that point, so you can see how the machine is rotating here. so you can understand the principle of how the tank cleaning machines are working. Okay. Okay. GoPro, stop recording.